Hello, today we are going to talk about oxides in acid bases and alkali solutions. So, the first question of the past paper is the question is about the compound of nitrogen. State whether nitrogen dioxide is acidic or basic, give the reason for that. Okay, that is a one mark question. So, simple acidic because nitrogen is a non metal. So, all the non metal oxides or dioxides are acidic. Okay. Now question number two. Copper is an element 29 in the periodic table. Okay, copper 2 oxide is formed when copper 2 nitrate CuNO3 twice is heated. So copper 2 nitrate in solid 2 moles of that is heated to copper oxide, 2 moles of copper oxide, 4 moles of nitrogen and 1 mole of oxygen. State the class of oxide which copper 2 oxide belongs. So it is a basic, so simply basic oxide. Okay, now state the meaning of Roman numeral 2 in the name copper oxide. So that means that copper has a charge of plus 2. Okay, so next part is 0.02 moles of CuNO3 whole twice is heated. Calculate the mass of 0.02 moles of CuNO3. So first we will calculate the MR of CuNO3 whole twice. So MR of CuNO3 whole twice is 188. I have already calculated it. Okay. So C mass is equal to M is equal to M over, so sorry, number of moles is equal to N is equal to M over Mr. So we have number of moles, we have Mr, so that is 0.02 into 188. So that will give us 3.76 kgs. Okay, you can do it on your calculator. I have done on my calculator. So the names of the element of period 2 of our periodic table are shown. Okay, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. Answer the following question about these elements. Each element may be okay. Identify the element which has oxide found in clean, dry air. So that is carbon. Okay. So first one is carbon. Carbon. Form a basic oxide with the formula of X2O, that is lithium group 1 element. Okay, lithium. Okay, that's all about it for this topic. This is a small topic. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you want to take online classes, we can also arrange that at low cost. So please contact us. I will share my number, WhatsApp number, and as well as my email with you.